Hey friends, welcome to my channel where we have party designs for all occasions. Make sure to check out our new upload day on Fridays. And today we have a We'll Miss You theme as well as farewell party decorations. And this is great to use if you have a college student that may be going away to school, if you have co-workers that may be leaving from the job or that may be going into retirement, or if you have friends or family that may be relocating. This is a great theme to use. Okay, now let's get into our decorations. Right here we have a We'll Miss You banner kit that came from Amazon. This actually has the We'll Miss You banner inside, and also it has some heart garland as well as some circle garland. And then I did find these from the Dollar Tree. They did have some more circle garland as well. And I have some silver fans, and then we also have some silver balloons, some white balloons, and some gold balloons. Now let's string the banner. First, I'm going to lay out the banner in the order that it goes in. And then I'm going to take the needle that it comes with and I'm going to thread the needle through the holes of the banner. Does take a little work to do for this banner. Not every banner that you buy has to be put together, but most of them do. But this one takes a little work, but it's okay because in the end it really does come out looking nice. Okay friends, now we're going to put some fans together. I'm going to take some tape and I'm going to make it double-sided, and I'm going to use a couple pieces to hold the fans together. And if you don't plan to reuse the fan, you can just use the adhesive strip that comes on the fan. And now I'm going to use some glue dots. Glue dots are like sticky glue that makes it easier to hold up stuff. I'm going to put the glue dot on the back of the fan, and then I'm going to hold the fan up to the wall, push it in the center, and this will hold it up to the wall. And some of you may be wondering, what am I supposed to do with all these strings hanging from the fans? But really, once you get all your decorations up, the strings are barely noticeable, but if they do bother you, you can just take some tape and just tape them up to the back of the fans. Okay, let's blow up some balloons. When you're using confetti balloons, the best way to make the confetti stick to the balloons is take it and rub it up against a surface. You can use a table or a cloth and it makes the confetti stick. Okay friends, and right here I'm just putting some tape onto the end of the balloon. I'm just going to add some balloons in between the fans to add to the decor. And now what I'm doing is organizing the garland. I just want to stretch it out to see how long it is. I did decide that I wanted to cut some of it in half because it was longer than what I wanted. And then I'm going to figure out how I want to hang it up on the wall. So I decided that I wanted to put the garland in between the fans at the highest point. So I'm going to use tape to put on the string of the garland to hold it up to the wall. So I found an easier way to hang up the garland. I just put double-sided tape on the back of it and it made it easier to hang up. So the garland that I got from the Dollar Tree was actually too long and too spread apart. So what I decided to do was use the extra garland that I had that I cut from the bottom. I just put it in between the blank spaces, and that way it was able to fill it in. And then I noticed that one of the heart garlands was a little bit long on the bottom, so I just took scissors and cut it and made it even. Now let's put up the We'll Miss You banner. I'm just using tape to help me hang it on the wall. And then I remembered I had these silver hearts, these glitter silver hearts. I made these out of glitter paper like you can buy from like Hobby Lobby. I just pretty much drew some hearts and just cut them out. If you're not good at drawing hearts, you can also just find some online and print them out and then trace them. Okay, and here we have it, the final results for the We'll Miss You decorations. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button, hit subscribe and the notification bell. Check out my last video for Black History Month and have a royal day.